White Christmas tide, the snow is falling, painting the world a silent, perfect white. But in this quiet room, every corner is warm with just your presence. Beside the gentle crackle of the fireplace, I make a vow, holding all my heart in these words. Even when this light dims, even when the flame fades to ash, our love, my darling, will forever remain. White Christmas, these nights where time seemed to stop, filled with our laughter and sweet secrets whispered. The treasures of our memories are more precious than anything the world holds. Our tomorrow will sparkle just as brightly and feel as warm as this very moment. If all this beauty we share is truly a miracle, then that miracle, my dearest, is purely you. On this night when the whole world is asleep, a white Christmas sharing this most precious time, our love will shine on